After being under some speculation, the Internal Revenue Service is now apologizing for flagging conservative political groups for additional reviews during the 2012 election. This was allegedly done to see if any violations were taking place. The claim was originally reported by Fox News, who noted some Tea Party chapters were claiming the IRS was attempting to sabotage their nonprofit status. And other media organizations backed these claims up Friday, reporting some conservative groups complained during the 2012 election about the IRS and their requests for answers. In March, the Blaze reported the American Center for Law and Justice was representing nearly 20 Tea Party groups in a suit against what they believe to be a coordinated partisan attack to intimidate certain organizations. The IRS acknowledged asking for the group's list of donors in certain cases. That's actually a violation of IRS policy. The organizations targeted had Tea Party or Patriot in their names. The Atlantic notes during a conference on Friday, Lois Lerner, the IRS staff in charge of nonprofit designations, apologized for the unusual request. Lerner said that low-level workers in Cincinnati began additional reviews of organizations. The apology made the front page of the conservative Drudge Report. But Lerner also said the practice wasn't politically motivated. For Newsy, I'm Logan Tittle.